TriTech's latest innovation is the MicroIQ Prox, the ideal solution for securing, auditing, and controlling access throughout one or more locations, around town, or around the world. The MicroIQ Prox is capable of reading existing ProxCards, making user enrollment quick and efficient. Don't have a ProxCard? Phones can be enrolled to provide user access. Administration can be performed from your phone or remotely from a PC. Adding or modifying users and privileges is simple. Parameters are distributed to all of your locks. Manage multiple teams and individuals at each location remotely from your PC. The enroller streamlines implementation for large organizations. Easily modify access parameters for all of your locks and every employee. Need audit trails? The ProxTrack app captures and stores user information, access attempts, and events. Our state-of-the-art technology requires no wiring or infrastructure, and each lock efficiently runs on a single coin cell battery. Whether it's a self-latching spring bolt or a manual latching cam, MicroIQ Prox is a perfect fit for most furniture and casework products. Engineered to replace industry-standard core and shell profiles, MicroIQ Prox is the perfect replacement for any locks used to secure desk drawers, cabinets, and lockers. MicroIQ Prox is not just a product of what's technologically possible, but what's technologically useful. Brought to you by TriTech Lock & Security. Intelligent locks, smart choice.